guys, welcome to today's video जो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. Who says libraries and bookstores are boring places? तो जिन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है आज हम ये मिथ को गलत प्रूव कर लेंगे. And I will show you how they can be one of the most wonderful places to visit. Guys, we are at the heaven of book lovers. Yes, it's the great Kitab Khana. आज के इस वीडियो में हम ये अमेजिंग जगह एक्सप्लोर करेंगे and all of you who are habitual readers and beginners in the world of books. I'm going to recommend the best 5 books from this place which are a must read. जैसे ही आप लोग अंदर आओगे, you will see this big space full of books. There are different sections of different genres, topics and languages. Guys, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे fun reading activities, bookers meet up and many such things keep on happening on regular intervals. Do let me know if you have any suggestions about books or any interesting places we can explore. Take care and see you in the next video.